Hey guys, H-Town Werewolf. What do we have here today? So, trying to get ready for a match that I have coming up next month. It's called the Big Tex multi-gun match. It's a 3-gun competition. And so today I am going to practice with my Staccato. My Staccato P. Get out of the way so you can see this thing. Check that guy out. Yeah, this thing has spoiled me. Ever since I got this is the only pistol I want to shoot. I've got it set up with the, well, this is the model with the different textured hand grip. It doesn't have the traditional stars in the hand grip. I kind of like this checkering better. It's the like the grip tape, skateboard grip tape. And then on top I added SRO, Trijicon SRO. Man, I love these optics, they're the best. And I've got a Surefire X300A in the front. So this is what I'm running. And so I'm just out here just practicing, just getting some reps in, just making sure this thing is ready to go, make sure it's sighted in. See my holster? It's an Omnivore holster, and it's set up for, it's light specific. So this holster is set up specifically for this light. So I'm able to just drop it in, and it locks and it's solid. And you're not spending an arm and a leg on Safari Land or one of the other holsters. So this is my rig. I'm running for Big Tex for the pistol. I've got mag pouches for pistols, and then I've got rifle mag pouches back here in the back. And again, this is my rig. This is on a this belt system. Jeepers, I can't think of the name right now on the belt system, but I'll put it somewhere in the so you guys can see it across the top there. So anyways, I'm out here. I'm gonna do some drills with the Staccato, and you know, just get some shooting footage in. So stand by. All right, I've got a target. I've got steel target set up downrange at 15 yards, and I zeroed my optic at 15 yards. So here we go, some shots with the Staccato. I'm running the 17 round flush one for now. All right, safe. Here we go. Let's see if I'm on target. Let me turn up this red dot. All right, here we go. It's on. Ooh, man, that feels so good. So good. Put that on safe. All right, so at the Big Tex, they like to also engage targets from pretty far away. So in a second, I will back the camera up. I'll go to 50 yards, and then I'll take some shots at 50. But in the meantime, let me keep plugging away. Ooh, I missed that one. Nice. So 16 hits, 1 miss at 15 yards, and I'm shooting at it's like a 6-inch circular target. So let me put this up. I'm going to move the camera. I'm gonna try to make it to where you can see the targets that I'm shooting at, and we'll take some more shots. All right guys, I'm gonna take some shots on the dueling tree and then these other 2 targets there. All right, here we go. Nice. When you have a red dot on your pistol, any shaking is exaggerated so hard. So the red dot, if you could see the red dot's just doing this. So you almost have to anticipate the red dot on your target and then just squeeze it, just let it go. And with this trigger, I believe this factory, I think it has like a 3.5 pound trigger, I think, from factory. Man, this thing is awesome. I've shot this, I've got almost 2,000 rounds through it, and I haven't had a single issue with it. And I do clean it around every 500 rounds or so. And I add some lubricant to the barrel there at the top. But it is so smooth, guys. This is, like I said, this thing has spoiled me. This is really the only pistol I shoot now. Well, except for my concealed carry. I carry that with me, and I practice with that as well. But this thing is, these staccatos, man, they're awesome. Woo, nice. All right, guys, I backed up. I'm at about 50 yards now, and I'm just gonna relax and try to hit the target downrange. It's like a 6 to 8 inch circular target. So like I said, at the match, you do have to engage, since you're not shooting a shotgun, on some of the stages they make you engage the slug targets from your pistol at pretty far away. I remember a couple of years back on one of the stages, you had to engage 2 rectangle pieces of steel at about 80 yards, one to the left, one to the right, before you could take course of fire onto the stage. So I know they're gonna make us do it. So I just need to make sure that the red dot is good to go at those distances, so I know my holds. All right, so enough yapping. Let's see. And we're just shooting a 115 grain. I believe it's S&B. All right, here we go, guys. I'm turning the dot down a little bit. There we go. Oh, it helps to load it. Got it. Okay, so I held right in the center. Got it again. Okay, right in the center. Off. Got it. Got it. Okay, all right. So at about 50 yards, it's still a center hold with the 15-yard zero. And like I said, that target down there isn't very big. The targets that they make you engage are typically like 12 by 18. They're like rectangles. So I should be okay. I'm gonna take some more shots at long range. Woo! Yeah, started getting really shaky there at the end. But I feel confident. It's a dead hold at 50. So I'm gonna back up a little bit more. I'm gonna go I'll probably go all the way about to the top, and that's probably, man, I think this is like 75 yards if I take it all the way up to the top. So I'm gonna take some shots at 75. All right, about 75 yards. Drop this mag. Let's load up this guy. All right, here we go. And it's really windy, guys. So got it. Okay, so I held right at the very bottom of the steel. Got it again. Got it again. Wow, I didn't do too good on that one. It's a super small target. At this distance, the red dot kind of almost covers the whole thing. All right, I'm gonna take it back up close. Nice. All right. I'm gonna go into the berm, just kind of rapid, all right? Let me go this direction here. Whew. Woo, nice. Nice. Man, these things are awesome, guys. All right, let me go as fast as I can into the berm. Ah, helps if I load it. Wow, that was quick. Super quick. So there it is, guys. Staccato P. I probably should have wore a different color shirt. You can't even really see the gun. Let me stand off to the side. Staccato P Dual. Man, this thing is awesome. Well, that's all I got. I'm out. All right, I think this is called the 1v1 or one shot and then reload and another shot. So let's go. Actually, this is the mag with the ammo. Let me load one in. Okay, comes back out. Empty mag back in. Holster. All right, here we go. Got it. Drop. Got it. All right. Empty mag back in. All right. Again. Got it. All right, let's do it again. Got it. And it could be faster if I wasn't trying to retain my magazine, But if you guys don't know, these damn Staccato mags, they're like $100. So I'm not ready to be chunking these around on the ground. I think I'm gonna get a drop pouch for the competition, so I can easily just drop them into the pouch. All right, let's do that again. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, the last run was 8:17. I'm not that fast. Ah, I dropped it on the ground. Got it. All right, that's 693. After I said all that shit about not dropping them on the ground, but it was quicker. Dropping it on the ground was definitely quicker. Man, I didn't hit it either time. All right, let me keep practicing. All right, here we go. But I was faster, 570, but I missed the target. All right. Got it, both times. Woo! 521 with 2 hits. That's really slow, guys. I've seen people do it in 2 seconds. Nice. 615. Still really slow, but I'm getting there. I'm gonna shoot it one-handed. Just aiming at those targets, see how I do. All right, so empty mag. Here we go, full mag. Ah! Oh my God, I'll have to trim that out. Or maybe not, look. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna shoot the Staccato P Dual one-handed. Here we go. And I'm just gonna go for those 2 steel targets down there. Yeah, those 2. Man, love this thing. Yeah, I definitely need some more practice on my reloads. In the match though, in the match you would have a full mag. And so you would, as you're running between targets, if you know you need to top off, you do it in transition. So if I need to run 10 yards to engage the next targets, as I'm running, I'm dropping and I'm putting a new mag in. So during the match, you have to find your spots so that you're not getting to the target and then doing all your mag changes. It saves you a little bit of time if you do it on the move. All right, guys, well, that's all I have for you guys. This is my Staccato P Dual. Woo! Man, this thing is awesome. I'm out.